Hello.
Hello, welcome to Fresh Market.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I want to buy groceries.
Sure, take your time. If you need help, please ask me.
Okay, thank you very much.
Can I help you find something?
Yes. Where are the vegetables?
The vegetables are on the left side.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I am looking for tomatoes.
Tomatoes are here.
Are these fresh?
Yes, they are fresh.
How much are the tomatoes?
They are $3 per kilo.
Okay, I will take 1 kilo.
Sure.
Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help?
Where can I find apples?
Apples are next to the bananas.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
These apples look nice.
Yes, they are very sweet.
How much are they?
$2 for one bag.
I will take 1 bag, please.
Sure.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Where is the milk?
The milk is in the fridge section.
I want low-fat milk.
Here you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where is the bread?
Bread is near the bakery area.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Hello?
Hello.
Which bread is fresh today?
This white bread is fresh.
How much is it?
It is $2.
Okay, I will take 1.
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where can I find rice?
Rice is in aisle 5.
Thank you very much.
Anytime.
Excuse me.
Yes?
I am looking for rice.
Rice is here.
This rice is heavy.
Yes, it is 5 kilos.
How much is it?
It is $10.
Okay, I will take it.
Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I also need cooking oil.
Cooking oil is next to the rice.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Is there any discount today?
Yes. Buy 2 items and get 1 free.
That's good.
Do you want help choosing items?
Yes, please.
This soap is on sale.
Okay, I will take 2.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Hello.
I am ready to pay.
Okay, please put your items here.
Sure.
Do you have a store card?
No, I don't.
That's okay. Your total is $25.
Okay. Can I pay by card?
Yes, you can.
Here is my card.
Please enter your PIN.
Okay.
Payment is successful.
Thank you.
Do you need a receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Please visit again.
I will. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Great job! You just watched a real English conversation at a supermarket. Now, let's learn some important words and phrases from today's video. Don't worry, we will go slowly and we will use easy English. Let's start our vocabulary tour. First word, grocery. Meaning, food and daily items we buy from a supermarket. Example sentences. I want to buy groceries. I am at the grocery store. Now repeat. Grocery. Second word. Fresh. Meaning, new, good, and healthy to eat. Example sentences. Are these tomatoes fresh? Yes, they are fresh. Now repeat. Fresh. Third word. Aisle. Meaning, the long walking space between shelves in a store. Example sentences. Rice is in aisle 5. Please go to the next aisle. Now repeat. Aisle. Fourth word. Discount. Meaning, a lower price, you pay less money. Example sentences. Is there any discount today? This item is on discount. Now repeat. Discount. Fifth word. Cashier. Meaning, the person who takes your money at the counter. Example sentences. Hello. Hello, says the cashier. Now repeat. Cashier. Sixth word. Total. Meaning, the full amount of money you must pay. Example sentences. Your total is $25. That is the total price. Now repeat. Total. Seventh word. Receipt. Meaning, a paper that shows what you bought and how much you paid. Example sentences. Do you need a receipt? Yes, please. Now repeat. Receipt. Eighth word. Pay by card. Meaning, to use a bank card to give money. Example sentences. Can I pay by card? Yes, you can. Now repeat. Pay by card. Today, you learned how to talk about groceries in English. You learned how to ask for items, prices, and help. You also learned how to pay at the cashier. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You only need simple words and confidence. Practice these words again. Use them when you go to a supermarket. Step by step, your English will grow. Thank you for learning with us today. Keep practicing. Keep smiling. And don't forget to subscribe English Speaking Zone. See you in the next English lesson.